Opening scene. Engine revving sound fades in, raise the bar with its latest lineup. Today, on Auto Insight, we're diving deep into the new 2025 Maruti Suzuki and everything it offers. Maruti Suzuki has always been synonymous with reliability and affordability, but this year, it's clear the brand is also doubling down on technology and design. From upgraded engines to cutting-edge safety features, there's a lot to unpack. Let's start with the design. The 2025 models feature a bold new look, sleeker lines, aggressive front grille, and a mix of premium finishes. It's a departure from the traditional Maruti Suzuki aesthetics, signaling a shift towards a more modern, global appeal. Under the hood, the 2025 lineup doesn't disappoint. Equipped with hybrid and electric options, Maruti Suzuki is staying ahead of the curve in India's transition to greener mobility. The performance remains solid, delivering a blend of power and efficiency. Whether it's the city streets or long highway drives, these cars promise to keep you ahead of the game. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that's both stylish and functional. Premium upholstery, a larger infotainment system, and advanced connectivity features like wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay redefine the driving experience. Maruti Suzuki's focus on comfort and convenience ensures every journey feels like an upgrade. Safety continues to be a priority. Features like adaptive cruise control, multiple airbags, and an enhanced braking system are now standard across the board. In addition, Maruti Suzuki has introduced Level 2 ADAS technology in select models, making their cars smarter and safer. Of course, pricing is where Maruti Suzuki continues to shine. They've struck a perfect balance between affordability and premium features, ensuring these cars remain accessible to the masses. With a range of trims and variants, there's something for everyone in the 2025 lineup. So, is the 2025 Maruti Suzuki lineup worth your attention? Absolutely. It's a testament to the brand's commitment to evolving with the times while staying true to its roots. That's all for today's detailed look at the 2025 Maruti Suzuki lineup. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to Auto Insight for more reviews, updates, and everything automotive. Closing scene. Background music fades out, Auto Insight logo appears.